Okay guys, so I'm picking up exactly where I left you in part 1. I'm gonna paint. This paint is called Cheating Heart. And no, I didn't break any hearts or cheat on anybody to get this paint color. This paint color was just one I looked up and I found it because it matched the dark theme that I wanted for the lower half of the cabinets in the kitchen. And here it is. It may look kind of blue, navy bluish, but it's not. It's dark gray actually. Yeah, weird. Even has a purplish hue kind of look to it right now, but yeah, it's dark gray. So I added 3 coats of paint to this cabinet, sanding in between with 220 grit sandpaper. And when sanding, this is what you want to see, just a light white powder coming from the whatever you're sanding. So this helps to remove any knobs that may be raised by the wood grain when you add paint to it, because you know it soaks up that paint. And this is what it looks like. Now I'm moving into the next side of this cabinet that's under the counter, and I'm gonna remove everything, doors, drawers, everything, and sand them down right down to the bare wood. I got off all the old varnish and sanded it right down to the bare wood. And now it's time to paint, and I elected to spray these, which was quicker and easier. I got a way better finish, but I still sanded in between each coat with 220 grit sandpaper to remove all the small fibers that may be raised when the paint hits this wood. So in between coats, while the paint dried, I went inside and sanded the face frames, again right down to bare wood. make another face frame, because you will see shortly where I'm gonna have to rip out the other side of the cabinet because there was a lot of termite damage. Yeah, a whole lot of termite damage, so I had to rip it out and replace it. Mind you, this is why I started to do DIY projects. I think 2 years before, I had to redo the other side that you just saw me sanding, and it cost me $20,000. Yeah, 20 grand. This time it cost me about 7 grand because I did it myself. $7,000 to $20,000. Now that's what you call savings, guys. Now check out how I finish this. So unfortunately I didn't get footage of me installing the new face frame, but yeah, there it is. I installed the new one. It was simple. I just screwed some blocks into the concrete because this entire counter is concrete, top and bottom. I just screwed some blocks of wood into the concrete and then just attach the face frame to it from behind. Easy, it wasn't so hard. Now here I'm adding hardware. These are some black finish hardwares, the hinges, the handles, everything is all black. And yes, don't mind the pots, the pans, whatever is there. It's a functioning kitchen, it's working. I'm using it as I go because it's the only one I got.
What we do here is go back.
And now that all that's complete, let's look at some finished before and after shots. Alright guys, this is the second video in a 3-part series to this cabinet build, but there's one crucial part that was left out. Can you tell me what it is? If you've picked up from these 2 videos what part is left out, comment down below and let me know, guys. In the meantime, stay tuned to Royal Escapes as I continue to turn my home into a palace. Bye!